Hello everyone, this is Dr. Savita MB, a discussion with the environment pollution and water chemistry of module 4 of VTU syllabus. The first part that is on environment air pollution has already been uploaded. The next topic is waste management, in that solid waste. Okay, the sources of their sources, characteristics and disposal of e-waste and biomedical waste will be discussed in this video. Now, waste management is all the activities and actions required to manage waste from its inception to its final disposal, and it refers to the range of garbage arising from animal and human activities that are discarded as unwanted and useless. These are discarded to the environment, like papers, bottles, cans, plastics, all these. Okay. Waste management normally deals with all types of waste which causes threat to human health. Now, what are the sources of solid waste? Solid waste can be generated by from residences and homes, industries, commercial establishment, institutions, construction and demolition areas, municipal services, manufacturing plants, agriculture. These are all the sources of solid waste. Now, e-waste and biomedical waste. Now, e-waste refers for discarded electronic products. The sources are the TVs, display devices, telecommunication devices, kitchen electronic equipments, laboratory equipments, that is electronic equipments, industrial electronic equipments. All these are the sources for e-waste. And biomedical waste. Biomedical waste is a kind of waste which contains infectious or potentially infectious materials. It may be in the solid or liquid form. The sources are hospitals, health clinics, nursing homes, then emergency medical services, offices of the physicians, dentists, and veterinary offices, home health care, and funeral homes. Okay? All these will be the sources of biomedical waste. And the example of biomedical wastes are discarded blood, unwanted microbiological cultures, human or animal tissues, used bandages, gloves, etc. Okay? Next, how it can be managed. There are some methods of management of e-waste and biomedical waste. The first one is land disposal. For biodegradable organic waste and waste that can undergo natural disintegration without causing any damage to the environment. Okay, such waste can be discarded by land disposal. Okay? These waste are collected and disposed in a large pit where the waste get degraded and mixes with the topsoil under the influence of sun, rain, and living organisms, and the resultant will be used as fertilizers. The second type is the scientific landfills. Okay? It is the disposal site for non-biodegradable waste. If non-biodegradable waste are present, it can be e-waste or biomedical waste. The how it can be, treated by scientific landfills. Okay, scientific landfill means the dumping pit which is carefully designed, whose base and the walls should be lined by leak-proof material to avoid the seepage and leaching of these dangerous things to the other environment. Okay, these pits are situated away from the city limits where there is no much of people activity. Okay? The wastage is dumped in this pit and is compressed into a dense mass, and it is allowed for microbial degradation, which takes a very long time. Okay. Next method is composting. It is similar to landfills, but it can be done in individual houses. Every individual house composting can be done. Okay, it is done by you digging a small pit of around 3 feet, and then all the household biodegradable waste is decomposed in it. The microorganisms grows in that and decomposes. The finished product looks like soil, and it is high in carbon and nitrogen, and it is an excellent medium for growing plants. That means it is a very good uh, fertilizer also. Okay. Next is recycling. It is a process where non biodegradable or inorganic waste are crushed, melted, and are recycled. Right. Next one is reuse. Reusing the waste by repairing or by converting them into a form that can be reused. Okay. Now, electrical and building materials has to be repaired and reused as far as possible rather than dumping them to as waste. So, identifying the um, uh, e-waste and the biomedical waste, to which category it can be managed, suitable method has to be used. Okay. Now, waste management generally goes with the slogan reduce, reuse, and recycle. This is about waste management. Next, we shall be going for the next video. I shall be discussing on water chemistry. Thank you.